Hey, I'm Fisher, how-to guy. Here we have some richer house corner floating shelves. We're going to show you how to demonstrate this on the wall, show you what you're going to get inside the box, and show you what it's going to look like on a wall downstairs. So let's get started. On the table we get 5 boards, all the small screws, large screws, anchors that go into cement, wood, sheetrock, L brackets, straight bracket, and 2 double layer angles. Showing upside down, this is where the L brackets go. You can place them anywhere you want. There's really no necessary areas. That's for single layer. Creating the double layer, you're going to take a short screw. You're going to make sure that this bracket faces to the wall. If you want to start with the one on top with the bottom, take a drill or take a screwdriver, repeat for the other side and repeat for the upper layer. To secure the shelf down even further, they give you these brackets that will line up. I want to put this where it's just a little lower, like so. Find out where it's leveled for you by putting the level on this way. Whatever you have that will fit for the height that you installed for, you'll put your items up. So this will do a great job depending on what you're looking for in hanging. Well, I made my mistake by not putting it high enough, but here I am. I'm able to get exactly the way I want it on there. Put whatever you want up there to decorate your shelf, your corner shelf, single, double. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.